Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place.
She said
Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. Then a bad man, mash up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily and quickly install this beautiful wig. So in case if you're wondering, this wig is from Yebue Hair Company. This is the first time I'm trying their wig, and I'm going to tell you I'm not disappointed at all because this wig is very beautiful and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. I just brought the wig out from the packet and then installed it. You're going to see everything in the video. I just brought it out and installed it. I didn't have to do anything. As you guys can see, the lace they use is very beautiful. So it came pre-patterned. I just had to twist out the pattern a little bit to give it a more natural look. And as you guys can see, it's absolutely beautiful. It's very soft, and let me tell you, I love the color, the mixture of the brown and the gold, and the coils. Like, guys, look at these coils. These coils are they're just popping, and it's like and also I didn't have to do so much when it comes to laying down the wig because it's already laid. I don't know how they did it, but it's already laid. I just did a little bit of, I just applied the oil and the hot comb, and that was all I did, and this is how it looks. As you guys can see, it's pretty much laid. So let me stop talking too much, and now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So right here we have the greeting card, and then here we have the accessories. So in here we have the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the wig looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. You guys can see that the coils are absolutely beautiful. I'm really loving these coils and the color. So it came with a middle pattern. So this is what the inner part of the wig looks like. And it also has a back lace as well. So first of all, I'm going to cut out the spare lace at the back. And then I'm going to put on the wig. After putting on the wig, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna apply my fix spray. And then I'll tie a scarf on it and leave it to dry for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf. This is what it looks like. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and tweeze out the part a little bit to give it a more natural look. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer on the pattern. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and create the baby hairs, which is optional. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf for like 5 minutes and let it dry. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf and I'll apply my heat protectant serum because I'm gonna be using heat on the front of the hair. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner to moisturize the wig very well. And then I'm gonna apply my edge tamer. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and comb the front part with my hot comb. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful. I love the way it turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. And also please share this video with your friends and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.